Hello friends, today we will know about the historical disease of the Black Death in this video. Before starting, this is my new channel and please subscribe because after gaining more subscribers, it will help me to make more informative and interesting videos with more energy. Now let's start. The Black Death, also known as the pestilence, the great mortality or the plague, was a bubonic plague pandemic occurring in Western Eurasia and North Africa from 1346 to 1353. It is the most fatal pandemic recorded in human history, causing the death of 75 to 200 million people, peaking in Europe from 1347 to 1351. Bubonic plague is caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis spread by the Phileas, but during the Black Death, it probably also took a secondary form spread by the person-to-person contact by aerosols, causing pneumonic plague. The Black Death was the beginning of the second plague pandemic. The plague created religious, social and economic upheavals with profound effects on the course of European history. The origin of the Black Death is disputed. Genetic analysis points to the evolution of Yersinia pestis in the Tian Shan Mountains on the border between Kyrgyzstan and China 2600 years ago. The immediate territorial origins of the Black Death and its outbreak remains unclear, with some pointing towards Central Asia, China, the Middle East and the Europe. The pandemic was first introduced to Europe during the siege of the Genoese trading port of Kaffa in Crimea by the Golden Horde army of Jani Beg in 1347. From Crimea, it was most likely carried by flies living on the black rats that traveled on Genoese ships, spreading through the Mediterranean basin and reaching North Africa, Western Asia and the rest of Europe by Constantinople, Sicily and the Italian peninsula. There is evidence that once it came ashore, the Black Death mainly spread from person to person as pneumonic plague, thus explaining the quick inland spread of the epidemic, which was faster than would be expected if the primary vector was rat fleas causing bubonic plague. 2022, it was discovered that there was a sudden surge of death what is today Kyrgyzstan from the Black Death in the late 1330s. When combined with genetic evidence, this implies that the initial spread may not have been due to Mongol conquest in the 14th century. As previously speculated, the Black Death was the second great natural disaster to strike Europe during the late Middle Age, the first one being the Great Famine of 1315 to 1317, and it is estimated to have killed 30% to 60% of European population, as well as 33% of the population of the Middle East. The plague may have reduced the world population from 475 million to 350 to 375 million in the 14th century. There were further outbreaks throughout the late Middle Ages and also due to other contributing factors. The crisis of the late Middle Ages, the European population did not regain its 14th century level until the 16th century. Outbreaks of the plague recurred around the world until the early 19th century. European writers contemporary with the plague described the disease in Latin as pestis or pestilentia. Pestilence, epidemia, epidemic, mortalitas, mortality. In English prior to the 18th century, the event was called the pestilence or great pestilence, the plague or the great death. Friends, if you are watching this video till now, it means you liked this video, and so please subscribe for more interesting videos and share and comment your thoughts comment section. Thank you.